How to use Bolt application. Hello everyone, this is Gabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store and then search for Bolt application. This is the application you would be looking for. So basically this is a ride sharing application, and after you have installed it, simply open the application and set up your details. After that, all you have to do is select your drive or your vehicle and set up all these information like your pickup time, your package delivery. If you want, you can do that as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.